In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect multiple databases into one calendar in Notion, a powerful yet flexible tool for organizing and managing your personal and professional projects. This process will help streamline your workflow and keep all your important dates and tasks in one consolidated view. Let's dive right in and make sure it's all set up smoothly. First things first, we need a central page that will act as your main calendar. You can open an existing Notion page or create a new one, whichever suits your needs best. This page will serve as the home for your unified calendar view, allowing you to efficiently manage entries from various databases. Once you have your page open, simply type in the command /linked view of database. Notion will present you with suggestions, and you'll want to select create linked database. This is the critical step that connects everything together by linking to the databases from which you want to pull the entries. Now that we've got the framework in place, it's time to bring in your first database. After selecting it, you'll need to adjust its representation into a calendar format. To switch to a calendar view, click the three dots usually found at the top right of your database widget. Then go to Layout and select Calendar from the options presented. This gives you a visual timeline of all the events, appointments, or whatever data you have stored within that database, ensuring it's easy to comprehend at a glance. Next, let's say you have multiple databases you want to integrate here. You'll go through a familiar process. For each additional database you want to connect, you'll repeat the same methodology. Once again, call up a linked database using the linked view of database command. Choose the necessary database and switch the view to calendar layout. You now have multiple windows into different data sources, all aggregated into one space within Notion. Finally, consider how you want these databases arranged on your page. You have the flexibility to set them side by side or stack them vertically, depending on your preference or the flow of information you find most practical. Tinker with the layout to ensure it aligns with how you like to view and interact with your schedule. And there you have it, a unified calendar in Notion that seamlessly connects multiple databases, allowing you to draw insights from various data sources at one glance. This setup not only helps in simplifying your workflow, but also ensures you never miss an important date again. As a tip, always remember to revisit your settings and tweak them as your needs evolve. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide empowers you in your productivity journey.